Goodness. Bless you. Do you have the hiccups?
I'm gonna leave that sit right there, okay?
Do you have the hiccups?
Sure. The hiccups. You got the hiccups. Yes, you do. You got the hiccups. You have them a lot in my tummy, too.
Are y'all done with hiccups? Oh, no. Okay.